Hey everybody, so this is the electrical steam sterilizer slash dryer that I got from Grownsy. I picked this up on Amazon and it's a pretty solid choice. So I just wanted to unbox it with you guys and show you the pieces and components that it comes with. The first thing I'm pulling out is the body of it, which contains two parts. The larger container holder and the smaller container holder. It also comes with this base right here, which is where you control everything. That's your control center. You also plug it up from this base. You see that cord in the back. That is the smaller container holder. You can either put that up directly on top of the base, or you could put it on top of the middle container holder. So I'm gonna put this middle container holder up there like that, and then put the top container holder for your smaller items right here. And then all that's left is the top, and boom. And for that mid part, you want to use that for your baby bottles and things like that, breast pumps. And for the top part, you want to use that for your smaller items like your pacifiers and stuff. But solid pick, highly recommend. Peace, y'all.